Welcome back, Solid Rock family. You're now tuning in to Solid Rock Entertainment with your host, Sam G, your host on the Central Coast, right? Yeah, welcome back to another Solid Foundation series where we cover foundational reggae music, and also from time to time we'll dabble in some soul and R&B music, because over the years soul and R&B, the genre itself, has played a massive role in a lot of our artists in reggae music, and in Jamaica itself. R&B and soul has a big place in Jamaica over the years, the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. Most of our vocals, you name it, from John Holt, Dennis Brown, Alton Ellis, Sanchez, you name it, singing melody, come on, man. They all have covered a song or two or three from the R&B and soul genre. So R&B and soul has heavily impacted and inspired Jamaica and Jamaicans, right? So every now and again I'll dabble into some soul music from the foundation era, right? From the 70s, 60s, 80s, you name it, right? We do the foundation right here. Well, the vinyl I'd like to cover this week, as you see sitting here behind me, as usual, I always have a vinyl to represent the genre. This week, on today's series, it's going to be Barrington Levy with his album Ragamuffin. The track on here that actually made me purchase this vinyl is the one that says, "On my way up to Marvelay, Mama send me out to go buy some collie. Echo miss, me jump on the bike, me make $2 way up on Marvelay." If you follow me, I'll sit here and make a whole tune, like me there channel one, right? But anyway, in this video right here, I'm going to feature an artist that over the years I've crossed paths with, a good brethren. He's been making songs for quite some time now, and he's really doing his thing in the world and in the worldwide market. This song that I'm going to introduce to you from him, it's right now making a big impact, all over the world. Europe, I see people in Europe, Paris, I see people all over the place dancing and skanking to this tune, and it represents what I do in this series, right? It has a roots vibe, lovers rock thing to it, Tommie Tei, that's what I'm talking about, my brethren. Tommie Tei, big up yourself, Tommie Tei. Anyway, then of the world, right now, big up yourself, right? You're doing the damn thing, especially with this tune, and I'm gonna play it from the top to the very last drop. You know what I'm saying? Put on your dancing shoes. Come make we do it like that. Yeah. Tommie Tei.
To the rhythm and blues, come make we do it like that. Put on your dancing shoes, girl. Come make we do it like that. Don't stand there looking confused now. Come make we do it like that. I'm the one that you choose, girl. Come make we do it like that. Just rock to the rhythm and blues, girl. Come make we do it like that. Put on your dancing shoes, girl. Come make we do it. My heart is filled with love. Bring your body to mine. I wanna give you love, girl. Baby, you're looking so fine. Rock to the rhythm and blues. Just come make we do it like that. And put on your dancing shoes, girl.
Come make we do it like that. Big tune.
No one win, no one lose, girl.
Come make we do it like that.
Cause I'm the one that you choose, yeah.
Come make we do it.
Just rock to the rhythm and rock to the blues and do it like that.
DJ.
Put on your dancing shoes and make we do it like that. Make we do it
like that.
We do it
like that.
Cause me love you like that. Me love you like that. No one will win, no one will lose. We do it like that. Put on your dancing shoes and make we do it like that. Cause my
heart is filled with laughter.
Bring your body to mine.
I'm gonna give you
love, girl. Baby, you're looking so fine. to the rhythm and blues. Just
Come make we do it like this.
Put on your dancing shoes, girl. Come make we do it like that. Don't stand there looking confused now. Come make we do it like that. Cause I'm the one that you choose, girl. Come make you do it, baby girl. The night is cold, so bring your body to mine. I'll let you go until the sun starts shine. Select a beg you play the song there one more time. My pocket full of cash and more than spend every dime. Baby girl, I'm me till you say me love you like that. Anytime I miss your call, if me call you right back. You need my attention, I'm right on the spot. With love and affection, right on the clock. Cause my heart is filled with love. Bring your body to mine. I wanna give you love, girl. Cause baby, you're one of a kind. Rock to the rhythm and blues. Just come make we do it like that. Put on your dancing shoes, girl. Come make me do it like
Baseline.
that. Don't stand there looking confused.
Baseline to move your waistline
like
in fine time.
Because I'm the one that you choose, yeah. Come make me do it, baby girl. The night is cold, so bring your body to mine. Now I'll let you go until the sun starts shine. Select a beg you play the song there one more time. My pocket full of cash and more than spend every time. Baby girl, I'm me till you say me love you like that. Anytime I miss your call, if me call you right back. You need my attention, I'm right on the spot.
My gosh, come make we do it like that. The tune do everyone done. That's how the song bad. It want to start again. Big tune by Tommie Tei. Do it like that. A song like this, let me tell you, the moment I heard this song, from here the rhythm, I was so proud of Tommie Tei, because guess what? Those vibes is missing right now a lot in the dancehall or in the reggae arena. This vibe, this rubber dub vibe, that vibe that makes you want to find a woman, make a man want to find a woman and just hug her and squeeze her, and a vibe where the woman can embrace the man. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, it bring the man and the woman together, man, because there's so much divisive thing and go on from what there, right? It's either them a chopper or them a scammer or whatever. Well, right, so Tommie Tei bring it back to the foundation where man and woman come together and vibe, right? Do it like that. I'm loving this song. I'm loving this vibe. We need this. Tommie Tei, this tune is necessary. So big up yourself on being inspired to not only do this song but to put it out. It seemed like you're watching the climate of everything that's going on, and you see that this was necessary. Big up yourself. Tommie Tei, do it like that. Keep it locked to Solid Rock. See? Hit the notification bell so you can hear when I yell and put you under this musical spell. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tommie Tei, big up yourself. Solid Rock Entertainment, tuning out. We're going to keep it pushing, all right? Yeah, and you're going to hear more from Tommie Tei too. Yeah, we have some more Tommie Tei we're going to put on here and put out. See? Big up yourself. Large up. Come make we do it like that. Put on your dancing shoes, girl. Come make we do it like that. Tell me all a DJ. What you mean? Big up yourself.